OPPO is gearing up to launch the Reno 15 series soon. It would have a Pro Max member alongside the vanilla device and the Pro. Members of the Reno 15 family ran Geekbench, managed a single-core score of 1,668 and a multi-core score of 6,274. The handset is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8450 SoC, paired with 16 GB of RAM. It will run Android 16 with ColorOS 16 from the day it launches. While exact design details are yet to be confirmed, the phones are expected to retain the sleek, lightweight build typical of the Reno series. On the photography front, the Reno 15 lineup is said to feature a major camera upgrade, and it will be equipped with a flagship-grade camera sensor. The Reno 15 series will feature a 200-megapixel primary camera using a large sensor. OPPO may also bring some flagship imaging tech from the Find X8 series to the Reno 15. Reno 15 models are expected to feature a periscope telephoto lens. The new generation will also continue to feature a metal middle frame and larger batteries with wireless charging support. Should become official in China before the end of the year and will reach global markets in early 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.